Hey y'all.
Hey guys, welcome
Rover
back
Pursuit.
to
Rover Pursuit's in the house, y'all. It's a nice day. Christmas Eve. It's my nephew, Jay. What's up, Jay?
Hey guys.
About to take the dogs on a walk with my nephews. Take the bike out because it's Christmas Eve, but it's a pretty nice day, ain't it, Jay?
Yeah.
Real nice out here, so about to go on a little walk. Go to the train tracks. Take the bike out, play around. We'll catch y'all at the train tracks. Say bye, Jay.
Bye guys. We will keep you updated, guys.
Hey, what's up, y'all? That was my nephew. He was a little too excited in that first clip. So, hey, Rover Pursuits in the house. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Just wanted to get some footage here on this Christmas Eve. This is Christmas Eve. We shot this. It's Christmas now. I'm uploading, or whenever you're seeing this. Just wanted to get out, man. It was a warm day. Get the dogs out, get the kids out, get the nephews out. Also get the drone and the bike out. So you see the drone is following me. I'm on the bike. This Mavic Air 2 isn't the best for following, but it works. So I just wanted to get some, give y'all some visuals. I got some more drone footage coming up soon. So comment, share, like, subscribe, y'all. Hey, what's up, y'all? Rover Pursuits in the house.
Hey.
Here with the nephews. Got the dogs too. There go Harley for you. Trigger right here as well. What's up, y'all?
Hey, boy.
So it's a nice day. It's Christmas Eve out here. Thought I'd get a good video in. We got the bike. It's real nice outside, so I brought the bike out. Got the Yamaha XT 225. My nephew think he can drive it. He don't know nothing about nothing. He ain't about to touch this bike. You hear me? He can touch it, but he ain't driving. Say what's up.
What's up?
What's your name?
Come
He on that drone actually. He like flying that drone. Where is that now?
By the port.
So yeah, so it's pretty nice outside. So I'm like, let's get the bike out. Let's get the drone out. Get some footage in for the holidays. The dogs kicking it. Look at them. They were out here chasing the motorcycle. If I get some good drone footage, I upload it alongside this. So we just kicking it, y'all. Nothing to do. Get out on a Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve afternoon. Get some,
Harley!
I ain't gonna say get some sun, but get some outdoor fresh air. Hey, get away from the tracks. Get off the tracks. Harley, get down there. Yeah, so we just kicking it, y'all. Get some more footage. We running around, covering me, covering the drone, covering the dogs. This is our main cameraman today.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Jay.
Jay. It's my youngest nephew.
People call me Jamal, but I like to call
People
my
call you Jamad?
Yeah.
That's your name, you mean?
Oh. And my mom called me Jay.
Yeah, so we just kicking it, y'all. Thought I'd let y'all know what's happening. Rover Pursuits in the house. Comment, share, like, subscribe. Get some good footage in. Share with y'all. This one of my main spots. I like to take the dogs.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a whole lot more video. See the drone all the way up there in the air. You getting some of us? Did you get Harley run over there that quick? Yeah, drone all the way up in the air.
You might can't see it because it's all the way in the air, so.
It's up there. They'll see the footage. Y'all gonna see the footage.
But you have to post it on your.
That's what I'm doing. Oh, the dog.
You see?
Harley.
Yeah.
So we keeping track of the dogs with the drone as well. Drone serves multiple purposes, you know that. So I ain't gonna talk too much, just show you all this good footage. About to hop back on the bike, take some laps back and forth.
Can I get
Let
on
the
the
dogs chase me.
back? Yeah, I'm gonna get on the back.
He wanna get on the back.
I do.
Well, we're in a nice little controlled environment, so maybe we can do that.
Don't do that to me.
What? Pat your head.
Pat your
Come.
head.
All right, y'all, check out the footage.
We'll keep you updated.
I ran through a doggone puddle. Got my feet all wet. These ain't the boots that I want to wear. Get my feet
You
wet.
supposed to be wearing your
So I
waterproof
don't know.
boots.
We ain't gonna be out for too much longer. My feet about to get cold.
You were supposed to wear your waterproof boots.
I know. I wasn't expecting
Harley, why are you doing
do
that?
no damage to myself out here.
Harley's over
You
here
might
attacking me.
All right, y'all. Happy holidays.
Happy holiday and
Merry Christmas. Enjoy y'all Christmas. Enjoy the footage.
And
Roving Pursuits in the house.
yeah, and enjoy your Christmas presents.
Comment, share, like, subscribe.
And be share.
Be sure. I mean, be sure. Sure.
Be,
No,
be what?
subscribe.
Merry
subscribe.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, y'all. Merry Christmas.
And big thank
Enjoy a
you.
little more footage, and we'll catch up with y'all after the holidays.
We out. Peace.
All right, so back at it, y'all. Like I said, I just wanted to get some Christmas footage. I tried to follow the bike with the drone in the follow mode, the trace mode, but it didn't even work well in this field here. You'll see a little bit later. But like I said, I just want to get the dogs out. My cattle dog has to get out every day somewhere to run around, and it's great when she's able to follow the bike. So it was pretty fun getting out. Had my nephews out there. See my youngest nephew chasing us with the camera, with the GoPro camera. He was having fun. The dogs having fun. But this thing about these bikes, I mean, I'll do more about this bike maybe in the spring. Do some uh, do some walk arounds and some investigation about this bike, some reviews or whatever. But I love the bike. I love dirt bikes. I think it's gonna continue to be a passion of mine. But they talk about how the carburetor, as you can see, the drone was followed. No. You see the herky jerky movement. The drone is not following me anymore. That's my nephew working it. That's my nephew working it. It was just so weird that this drone would not follow me in this field here. Um, but maybe I need to do something different to get a better result. But I just wanted to narrate this a little bit, give you guys some background. Um, Christmas Eve. I hope everybody, if you're seeing this as a premiere or whatever, I hope you have a good Christmas and holidays and whatever you see this. Just uh, love your family, love your friends, and enjoy life, y'all. So let y'all keep watching this clip. I'm gonna sign off here. Roving Pursuit. Comment, share, like, subscribe. My nephew actually just came up here with me, so he's gonna sign us off too. Say something. Um, Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. All right, y'all. I'm actually gonna. All right, so I'm actually after the drone footage, I'm gonna show some footage of him running around with this camera. He's having so much fun with that GoPro camera, capturing absolutely nothing. Yeah, you wasn't capturing nothing, but we had a lot of fun. So it's a holiday for family. I mean, family is always good. As you can see, that the drone was following me just there, then it stopped. I don't know why it stopped. So then my nephew had to get back on the controls and follow me. But he did a fairly well job. But why does this drone not follow in these simple conditions? I'm like, I'm not camouflaged to the background on a fairly big target. I mean, these things are built to be able to follow cars and stuff. So um, I'm gonna have to do a lot more work with this drone, y'all. But either way, I'm gonna sign off. I have some footage at the end of my nephew running around with this camera, and just love family, love friends, and love yourself as well. Got something to say? Peace. All right, y'all. Rover Pursuits comment, share, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.
We out.
Yeah, so my 11-year-old pit bull, he got away a little bit. He's getting older, and the only thing on his mind is female dogs. So he gets away, but I'm not worried about him attacking anyone or any dogs. The only time I've seen him attack a dog really is dogs that have come onto our property. He's never attacked a dog out just on a walk or even like act vicious or any aggressive towards any dogs out in public. He's only attacked dogs that have um, encroached on our property, and that's reality. So I'm not really worried about him. But while I'm on the bike and messing with the drone, he found his escape plan. So here I was just doing like a speed trial. I think we got up to 20, 25 miles per hour. I wasn't really checking the speed, but it was going pretty fast. If I wanted to go further, I could have went. But all right, that's all, y'all. I just wanted to have some commentary on that. Check out my nephew with his GoPro footage. Okay, yeah.
Oh, hey guys, we just walked.
Oh, yeah, it is. Come on, it's still on, so
Yeah, so guys, we just ran. We just walked over here. This is the train tracks. Look, guys. See, it sees the dogs. You might can't see them because they're really far away. So let me show you them. Cause I got a blue healer. And a chef bulldog. So I'm gonna show him. Harley, come back! Hey, I don't want to show you these because he's bubbling. And Harley, come! Harley, guys! Oh my God, they're running! I don't want to run because I might drop the goddamn the thing. See, guys. Uncle, I think the grandpa died. Uncle, I want to pee. Uncle, I want to pee. Happy. Hi. Let's go. Hey. Uncle, can you help? Uncle, I gotta pee. Wow! I have to go. I have to pee. You're this. Why are you not listening to me? You're not the pee. Uncle, I have to use it. I have to use it. Huh? I know, but I pee. I pee. Okay, you take it. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. But I have to put it down because I'm peeing. That would be a good picture. If she just sit there. Sorry, guys. Look at my uncle. Uncle, say hi to the camera. Uncle, say hi to the camera.
Hey, what's up?
Pilot, you're in my way. You're catching him. Yeah, these are. Why do dogs have no clothes? I was looking. Yo, these. Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't showed you my face in a long time. I'm walking. So go subscribe to my new channel. It's J Gang. Okay, let me show you. I'm running. I see. Hey, say hi to the fan. Hi to the fan. Oh. She, her, ooh.
Might just take some video of us chilling.
My ass is...
What are you talking about?
That was fun.
Ow!
Dang, that was on purpose.
All on purpose, yeah.
Good job. You want to hurry up on the nephew?
Come on, get the footage. Get the dog. Get the dog.
I said, hard to do.
Huh? Oh. I ran to the dogs. My pants are falling down. Hey guys. Balloon. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Ah! This is tired. Listen to your friend. Go look. Oh, that sounds like Aga. Nobody's testing you. Nobody's even. I'm not trying to hurt you. Holly's weird. She's super weird. Listen to your friends. Uncle, can I turn the GoPro off?
Yeah, go ahead.